Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 9.2, question number 2, 3 and 4. I will try to complete these three sums, but if it is possible. Now, in this question number 2, we have to find the difference uh, between two rational numbers. Now, the first question is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. First of all, you have to find the LCM of these two denominator. They are not same, as they are not, as because they are not same, so we have to find the LCM to make the denominator same. LCM of 24 and 36 is equal to 72. You can see, you can do this LCM here. You can do the LCM in the rough work. So you can see that 24, 36. You can divide it by 2, 12 and 18. If you divide it again to 6, 9. Now you can divide it by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So the multiplication 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, it will be 72. So this is the LCM of these two numbers. Now you have to make the denominator 72. For the first number, it was 7 by 24 minus for the second number, it was 17 by 36. You need to make it 72. So multiply 24 into 3 and 36 into 2. Both numerator and denominator you are multiplying by the same number. Now 21 by 24 minus 34 by 21 by 72 and 34 by 72. Now what you will do, the common denominator is 72 now. (21 minus 34) result is minus 13 by 72. So this is the answer of this difference or the subtraction. Come to the next question. Next question is 6 by 13 minus 7 by 15. So what you will do, first the sign you will make it clear. 6 by 13, it is also a negative rational number, and minus plus 7 by 15. 7 by 15. So after this what you will do, the LCM of this 13 and 15, they don't have any common factors. So LCM of 13 and 15, LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. You have to multiply these two numbers, it will be 195. Now to make the denominator 195, what you will do now, minus 6 by 13 plus 7 by 15. You want to make it 195, so you have to multiply both by 15, numerator and denominator. Here you have to multiply by 13, both numerator and denominator. So both you are multiplying by 13. Then what happened, you have to continue this one as it is 90. 6 15s are minus 90 by 195 plus this one is 90 and this one is 91 by 195. Then you have to take the common denominator 195 and you will subtract 90 and plus 91. So the result will be very clear now, 1 by 195. This is the answer of this sum. Next one is minus question number 5, minus 2 1 by 9 minus 6. as you know that it is a rational number, so 6 we can express in the form of 6 1 by 6. Can I start the sum from here? 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19 minus 19 by 2 by 9 minus 6 by 1. As the denominator is here it is 9 and it is 1, so what we can do now, LCM of 9 and 1 is 9, so LCM 9. Now it was minus 19 by 9, make this line slightly larger, and minus 6 by 1. Now it is already 9, so you can multiply it into 1 and you can multiply it by 9 to make the denominator same. So what is the result you are getting here? The result is minus 19 by 9, minus 19 by 9 and minus 54 by 9, 54 by 9. Now the common denominator is 9 now. The common denominator is 9. One numerator is minus 19, another minus 54. Both are same sign, both have same sign, negative sign. So you need to add with the same sign. So result will be, if you add this, you can get 13 3 1 carry 72 minus 73 by 9. And this is your answer. Understood? Now it is question number 3, find the product. The same way you have to find the product of the rational number. When we are finding the product of the rational number, you have to multiply. If it is possible, you will to cancel numerator and denominator, you can cancel. But here I can see that 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4, the denominator 2 can't divide 9 and 7, and denominator 4 also can't divide 9 and 7. So we have to multiply only, otherwise there is no scope of cancellation. So just do the multiplication, and what you will get now, 9 7 ja 63, it is minus 63, and 4 2s are 8. This is the answer of this sum. Next sum is minus 3 by 10 into minus 9. 3 by 10 into minus 9. We can write minus 9 by 1 also, as it is a rational number. You know that denominator is there. Here also we can't cancel. We can't, remember, we never cancel numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. You have to cancel numerator and denominator, in between numerator and denominator, not numerator and numerator. So you have to multiply only. It will be 3 9s are 27, minus was there, so minus 27 by 10 1s are 10. Same as the next number also. You can see 3 by 7 into minus 2 by 5. So multiply 3 into numerator into numerator, 3 into minus 2. If you multiply, you will get minus 6, and if I multiply 7 into 5, then you will get 35. This is the answer of this sum. Now the next sum, there is you can get a scope of cancelling. So the number is, you can say that 3 into 3 by 5, 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. So I am writing this number again, and minus you can cancel, 5 also you can cancel, 1 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So the result you can write in this way. Say sign also positive here, So you can write the answer only in 1 because everything is cancelled out. Understood? So up to here only we will do today. We will not do division as we have told you before, as already we have done 6, 7, 8 sums. So practice it, students. I hope it will be easy for you. Thank you, students.